Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim, a digital marketing consultant, and today I am here to help you to create easily a contract form and connect to your WordPress website using JotForm. Whether you are a business owner, blogger or freelancer, a professional looking contract form is really important for your audience to connect through that to you. Okay, so first thing first, if we want to use a jot form, we must need to sign in. So if you don't have the account on jot form already, you must create your own account. So I just want to hit the sign up with Google and continue my account. Here you can see within few seconds I am into this account, and this is completely new, and here you can see it's suggesting a lot of template from their template gallery, and you can pick anyone from them. Also you can start from scratch. I just want to close this window for now, and here you can see if you create on that button, like if you hit the button or create form, you will see the same template like this. Okay, so you don't need to do anything from now. After, like when you create your account, you just need to do some little thing for making your account, and I just don't want to show you the all the settings, so I am going to show you how you can create a form. Okay, so form making is very easy. You can use their template from their template gallery. A lot of template already are available on their template gallery. So here you can see almost 10,000 plus ready template that you can use. So this is a huge number. So but I always do start from scratch, but you can import the form if you have already made. Also you can create single document, so or if you need you can make that. So mostly people use their template, but for my video I'm going to show you how you can make from scratch, because using template is too easy. So let's go to start and create a template. This is the card form and classic form. Always you can pick any one that you want, so I just picking the classic one. Okay, so when I pick the classic one, here you can see it's organization name, so you can use a name. I am going to use Nasim and don't show again, and then save it. So here you can see it's a drag and drop. So if you click on there, you will see the left pop-up are coming here. Also here is the button called add element. So if you click on this, the same window will appear and there. So first of all, for classic and simple form, always we see on most website their full name. So here you can see how cool is this. When I drag and drop the name, the first name and last name are appear here, and then email address, and here you can see without any coding skill the form already I made it. And here you can give the name like contract form Nasim Reza. So this is the name, and I like you can publish this form, and it's already done. Okay, So let's go to the settings. So it's contract form and enabled for form status, and then published. So let's check the form. So this is the URL. So if you want, you can use this link to send it to your audience to sign up. So how is look like this? So using their form.jotform.com is not a professional way to using their link. So always I highly recommend to you just have to integrate this form to your website. Okay, so for example, this is my demo website, and I just want to add this form to my website contact list. So if I hit the contact page, here is nothing. Okay, so I just want to add the new page of contact us and add that form on there. Here is the contact form 7 already available, but I just want to add this form. So okay, so we just copy this link from here. Also you can embed this link, so you can easily like you can pop up, you can source code, like this is the integration method how you can integrate. But for WordPress, you can just copy this link and go back the website and go to the dashboard, the backend of this website. So this is the view of WordPress dashboard, and go to pages because I am going to make a new pages. Okay, and then hit a page called add new page, and after that I want to add JotForm, and then I just going to paste the code, and here you can see the code is appear. So if I hit the delete, it will delete. Okay, so here you can see just simply paste that code that you come this code, copy and paste on this page, and then this page will appear. And then I'm going to publish this page, and then this is the link of this page, and then see the current look of this form. So yes, here it is. So JotForm is now appear on our JotForm pages of our website. So you can easily make it more professional, like you can do some customize. So this was our like raw view of our form, and this is our website integration view. And this was actually recommend you to create your own JotForm, but no, don't worry. So that's actually all, and there you have it, a simple and professional contract form integrate to your WordPress site. So if you need help with creating contact form or managing your website, I offer one-to-one consultancy to help you grow your online presence. So I have 6 years of working experience to Upwork. I already completed 260 projects on there. So feel free to reach out to me through the link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.